Dad, will you work on this trip again?
No work today, buddy. Today is for our family.
Please carry the cooler first. The sandwiches are inside.
Mom, did you pack my little camera for pictures?
Yes, it is in your yellow bag by the door.
The map, the keys, and the snacks are ready.
Can I sit by the window and count red trucks?
Yes, but keep your seatbelt on all day.
This trip already feels different, and I like that very much.
Then let us start slowly and enjoy every mile.
Our car smells like apples and cheese crackers.
That is the smell of a long family trip.
Dad, the clouds look pink behind the trees.
Morning light always makes the road feel new.
Let us make one rule. Phones stay quiet today.
I can do that. I really want this time.
Then we should sing the pancake song right now. Max, you always sing too loudly, but I still laugh.
Loud singing is welcome. Bad moods must stay outside.
I know a better road with fewer cars ahead.
But the sign says the lake road is closed.
It only says slow traffic. We can still pass.
Please be careful. I do not want a stressful morning.
Why did the car make that hot, funny smell?
It is probably nothing. I will watch the dashboard.
Dad, the red light is on now.
Pull over now, Tom. Please, do not wait anymore.
Okay, I am stopping near that gas station.
Huh? Is our trip broken now?
The trip is not broken. We just need a pause.
I can hold the map while Dad checks the car.
The engine is too hot. We need water and time.
I do not like this stop. It feels wrong.
Come here, Max. We are together, so we are okay.
The gas station dog likes my sandwich smell.
The shop man says the next mechanic comes after noon.
Then we need a new plan for the day.
Can we wait somewhere with shade and a bathroom?
There is a diner across the road. Let us walk.
The diner sign says homemade pie and fresh soup.
We will eat first, then think with calm heads.
My shoes make funny sounds on this sticky floor. Look, there are old travel pictures on the wall.
This town looks like the lake town from my childhood.
Maybe that is why this place feels warm and strange.
Dad, you are smiling, but your eyes look sad.
I came here once with my father, before he got sick.
Is that why you always rush and check work?
Yes, I am afraid to waste time like before.
You are not wasting time when you are with us.
We only want you here, not fast.
I hear you, Max. I am sorry.
Then let us stay here a little longer together.
There is a park by the water behind the diner.
Good idea. The car needs time, and maybe we do too.
The ducks are walking like tiny old grandpas. Dad, please take a picture with all of us.
I want one without my phone in my hand.
Then put it away and come stand beside me.
This is the best broken trip in the world. I found an old photo in the glove box pocket.
That is me, my father, and this same lake.
He looks proud, and you look very happy there.
He taught me that slow days can still matter.
Then let us have one slow day for him. And one slow day for us, too.
From today, I will stop working on family trips.
That promise means more than reaching the cabin early.
The mechanic is here, and I like his blue hat.
He says the car is safe after one new hose.
Can we still go to the cabin before sunset?
Yes, and we will drive slowly the rest of the way.
I want to remember this day when I am big.
I think this road changed our family for good.
Then let us carry this feeling home with us.